All right, so if you guys can see, this is a carrying bag for your cats, right? Comes with the strap, the actual base of it, and this is gonna stretch out, and this is a little small fur area, so they're gonna be very comfortable wherever you take them, all right? And of course, there's a zipper to take the whole thing off, Velcro to stick it to the bottom of it. And the way it works, you pretty much just open it up, and it transforms into a bag from two different ends, if you guys can see that. Well, and it's very compact, because out of the box, it was two different sides, and of course one entrance, and then there's one exit if you want. Name tag for your name tag right in front of it, so you can put your name of your cat, so they won't lose it, or somebody will take it. And then of course this thing zips up to transform into the bag. So we're gonna do that right now. There's one side. When you have one side, you could put it from the top, but I suggest you, when you have it open, just slide this in there. Velcro hits it pretty good. This is a strap if you want to hook up your cat to it if he's getting too wild. It's another thing you can do, and plenty of space so they could breathe, right? From the top to the bottom, so they won't be enclosed too much. They're going to be able to see and breathe. And then of course the carrying part is perfect. Velcro on the top, put your cat in the top, and you're ready to go to the vet or take her anywhere. So he or she can fit in there perfectly. Look at that. So whenever you're ready to take your cat, you could take her anywhere. Plenty of space for her, for breathing. Simple. So we're gonna release her now. She doesn't like it too much. So let's go ahead and release her. Come on. Come on. There you go. So hope you guys enjoy the video.